3 types for you to choose. The package comes with 24 pieces of LED dome lights in assorted sizes. Bulbs in T10 model are approximately 25 by 10 mm, 0.98 by 0.39 inches. There are another 2 types of LED interior car lights. They are respectively approximately 31 by 20 mm, 1.22 by 0.79 inches and approximately 41 by 10 mm, 1.61 by 0.39 inches. Various enough to satisfy your different demands in daily life. Wide range of compatibility. The interior LED lights for cars are compatible with many kinds of sockets, such as W5W, 12 volts, 2825, 192, 194, 158, 168, 501, 175, PC 175, 906, 904 and 161, and the dome light bulbs are suitable for sockets in the models of 560, 578, 211-2, 212-2, 214-2, 2112 and 2122. Please check the size of your socket carefully before ordering. Reliable workmanship for lasting service. Mainly made of PC and LED bulbs, the dashboard lights are compact and sturdy in structure, not easy to break or deform. Moreover, the color temperature of the map lights is 650 K, and they are District of Columbia 12V in voltage, 3W in power, inserted with IC drivers, stable and serviceable, hardly delaying or flickering, offering you 50,000 hours service. Convenient to install. It is easy for you to install the auto map lights, since they have negative and positive polarities. You just need to remove your broken bulbs and install these Festoon LED bulbs with the correct polarity, not occupying too much time and energy. A variety of applications. There is a variety of applications for the Festoon LED lights. You can use LED map and dome lights as headlights, map lights, license plate lights, cosmetic mirror lights, door control lights, courtesy lights and more, bringing you a bright and clear visual experience when you are in a dark environment. Top reviews from the United States. They're nice. I like the lights, they're a nice pinky purple color. Really easy to install in my 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I did think the packaging was weird because they came just loose in a small plastic box, but they all worked and look awesome. I really like them, they're bright. Even though they're a color, I was worried that them being colored would make it hard to see in my car when trying to find something and turning the lights on, but they're very bright. Perfect little lights. The pack comes with all different sizes and types of lights, that way you can do all the lights in your car. Would definitely recommend. The color looks exactly like the pictures.